Cheers, y'all. Happy Sunday.
More's just gonna spin.
Jalapenos. Look, I finally got some decent sized peppers. Been a while. So I'm gonna jump on the never ending popper challenge bandwagon today. So we got some jalapenos. We got us a clove of garlic. A little bit of seafood seasoning.
That's good.
We're gonna need some, yeah, that is pretty good stuff. The package I got had 5 different bottles in it. I give a bottle of some kind of habanero stuff to Larice because Terry wouldn't let me use it. But that's all I got left. All the other bottles are empty. We're gonna use some lemon zest, some bacon, and I got some ahi tuna. I've done poppers with seafood before, but I don't think I've ever used ahi tuna. So we're gonna try that. So what we're gonna do?
What's this here?
This is ricotta cheese. Of course it's a ricotta. Sure the hell ain't that cream cheese junk. Not in this house.
Just checking.
Clove of garlic minced 1 time. Get out of there. Put a little lemon zest in there. And I've learned from experience that you don't need a lot of lemon zest to flavor stuff, but boy, it sure gives it a freshness. Terry's even noticed that a few times.
I just like lemon.
But it does,
Do I get to eat the rest of it?
No, because for supper tonight I'm going to have these poppers and I'm going to do something different. I'm going to grill some. I got 2 ahi tuna steaks, so I got one in the ice box, and this one I'm going to cut part of it up for this, for the peppers, and then the other one we're going to grill them tonight. I've never grilled my tuna before, but I'm going to try it tonight. This evening, whatever it is.
I think you got plenty of lemon in there for that little bit of cheese.
Yeah, well, you're not going to eat it anyway, so it don't matter.
Oh, I may surprise you.
And just sprinkle some of this stuff in there. That'd be enough. Okay, let me whip this up and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, I got my cheese whipped up. Some bacon opened up. Ahi tuna opened up. So, let's do it this way.
Why don't you mix your tuna, dice it up, and put it in your cream cheese?
Because I may have more cheese than I need here, and I don't want to waste that tuna like that.
And then you can put it on top of your baked potato.
I really don't want to eat completely raw tuna on top of my potato.
Stick it in the microwave and melt the cheese, ding dong.
Yeah. This be okay.
Go ahead, teach her how to eat.
Put that in there. And then I got to cut me a slice of tuna here.
Oh my.
I know I got my worst knife here to do this with. But that'd be okay. I'll make it work. As you notice,
Don't cut it so thick.
a dull tablespoon is sharper than that knife.
Oh, sharpen your knife.
Yeah. I normally don't use this knife for stuff that I need a sharp knife with. So we're going to lay our tuna down in there. Give me another little piece here. Come back over the top like that. Put the top on it. And then wrap it in bacon. So, let me get these stuffed and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, I got these stuffed and wrapped. Right now I'm going to stick them in the freezer. Kind of help that ricotta set back up while I go start the grill. So we're going to do these outside and direct. And whenever I get the grill hot, we'll be back. And the freezer we're going. Okay, we're running right at 300 here. I'm gonna put these poppers on. And I got one little piece of peach wood here. And a little smack in there from another cook. So, lay these poppers on. And then let them cook. And we'll be back sometime. Okay, so my poppers are about done. I'm gonna get these salmon or tuna steaks ready to go. I'm gonna throw them out there. Sang stir fry oil. So that's what I'm gonna do. Put some of that on there.
Just regular oil?
No, it's stir fry oil. It's got garlic and stuff in it. It's yummy. Sangs make a lot of products. It's really good. Sprinkle a little of this fresh bay seasoning, seafood seasoning. The only bad thing about this stuff is it don't have a little shaker bottle thing. So I'll do it like this.
That smells so good.
Yeah. Normally when I do tuna, I just put salt and pepper on it and oil and just do it in the skillet. But I thought I'd try it out on the grill today, see what happens. So, flip that over and do it again. So let me get that did, and then we'll take it out to the grill and show you when we put it on there. Be back in a few.
Okay.
Alright, so there's the poppers. And we're running about 350 now, so that should be good enough. We'll let this go for a couple of minutes, then I'll flip it over, and then when it's all done, we'll be back and show you what we end up with. Be back in a few. Okay, there we go. I took the salmon off and squirted a little lemon juice on it.
It's not salmon.
Tuna. I took the tuna off the grill, squirted a little lemon juice on it. There's my popper. There's Terry's plate. She got a baked potato with a pound of butter on it.
It does not have a pound of butter.
So, I never grilled tuna, so I want to try this. Well,
Well,
oh, that's good. Actually, a little more done than I prefer it to be, but that's good. I might have to start grilling tuna. That's what we're looking at. So, see what happens. Oh, that's tasty. That's real tasty. For sure do this again. Those are good.
what are you gonna do? Eat the whole thing?
A little bit of heat in the peppers. My God, it's been since Labor Day since we could get a decent jalapeno, so those are good. That's very cool. Oh man, that's good.
Yeah, you keep saying that.
Okay. If you haven't done it, get on a never-ending popper challenge with us, man. Jump on that bandwagon. Make you a popper, any kind of pepper, any kind of ingredients. I don't care. I ain't eating no cream cheese, but if you want to, go ahead. But yeah, just make you a popper. Make a video.
Oh, come on.
Tango Joe, this rocks, man. Alright, we're out of here. We'll see you next time. Y'all have a good one. Time to go eat some tuna. Bye.